I'm Hila, and this is my brother Ayo. Say hi. Hi. No, so Lucy. And today we're gonna learn about farm animals or mga hayop sa bukid. Let's also the cat. This is a cat. Cat or pusa. Pusa. I saw my cat. Dog or aso. Aso. Is that a dog? Next one is goat. A goat or kambing. Kambing. Ano sabi ng goat? Next is cow. Cow or baka. Baka. Ano sabi ng cow? Next is pig. Pig or baboy. Baboy. Ano sabi ng pig? Next is horse. Horse or kabayo. Kabayo. Ano sabi ng horse? Next is rooster. Rooster or tandang. Tandang. Ano sabi ng rooster? Kakadudu. Next is chicken. Chicken. Chicken or manok. Manok. Ano sabi ng chicken? Quack, quack. Next is chick. Chick or sisiu. Sisiu. Ano sabi ng chick? Next is duck. Duck or pato. Pato. Ano sabi ng duck? Quack. Quack. Next is sheep. Sheep or tupa. Tupa. Ano sabi ng sheep? Next is turkey. Turkey or babo. Babo. Ano sabi ng turkey? Cookie. Ano ba sabi ng turkey? Cookie. Next is rabbit. Rabbit or conejo. Conejo. Ano sabi ng rabbit? So there you go, the farm animals. Sana may natutunan kayo or I hope you learned something today. Bye! See you in our next video. Say bye. Bye. Akira out.